Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the playground. I have the MX7. We are set to coin and jewelry mode, sensitivity of 5. Let's get all the goodies. Here's our first target with the MX7. Solid 67. Calling it a penny. Let's get it. One inch right here, right in the center of the coil. One penny into the pouch. First target, the MX7. Alright, I have a penny dime signal. 71. Let's get it. Wow, that's a big target. It's almost an overload. Should be right here under the surface. I don't see anything. It said it was just under the surface. Oh. Oh yeah, it's something good. That is not a penny. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a dime signal. 74.76. Let's get it. Half inch right there. Now it's all loose, so I wonder if it's going to be another one of those big old chunks. I don't see anything. Of course, I can. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a penny signal. Let's get it. Solid 70. 1 inch, half inch right there. No, it is, like I said, just all loose. So far, just 1 penny. I felt something. There it is. More scrap metal into the pouch. Alright, I have a jumpy signal. Goes from penny to quarter. Let's get it. And that's kind of big. Is it more trash? It just might be. It said it was just under the surface. Did I just turn it off? Cow. Really was a quarter. Into the pouch. Alright, and I have a foil signal. Foil nickel. Let's get it. 4 inches right here. Three inches. See if we can get it with the TRX. So right here. Oh yeah, that's... Alright, that was a rock that I struck. It did say it was 3 inches down. Don't see any foil yet. Alright, one piece of foil into the pouch. There's still stuff in that hole. It's calling it a penny. So right here. Oh. Wow, look at that thing. At the playground. Into the pouch. Glad I got that out of there. Alright, I have a nickel signal. 14 to 16 foil. Let's get it. 3.5 inches right here. Oh wow. An earring. First earring into the pouch. First earring for the MX7. Alright, I have a penny signal, solid 62. Let's get it. Just under the surface right here. 1 inch. Definitely not a penny. It said it was just under the surface. Ooh, I hit something hard. What is that? That's not it. There it is. Big old canslaw. Into the pouch. I have a penny signal. Solid 60. Let's get it. 1 inch. So right here. Well, that is not a penny. I don't know what that's to, but it looks cool. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a nickel signal. It's a solid 20. Let's get it. That's a very sharp signal. This thing is just under the surface right here. It is a nickel. Into the pouch. I have a penny signal. 65, 67. Let's get it. 1 inch, half inch, right there, center of the coil. Oh, I see it. 1 shield penny into the pouch. Welcome to the wrap-up. You can see it was a very quick hunt directly after the unboxing. It was a small playground. It was a swing set and a slide. The mulch was loose, so no harm done. I know I'm gonna get a bunch of grief for moving the mulch with Pinpointer, but the mulch was loose, so and I wasn't using the Pinpointer to dig. I was just moving the mulch with it. These were the good finds. We found a quarter, a nickel, 2 pennies, a junker earring, and some mystery piece of metal. I don't know what that's to. We did find a bunch of sheet metal and some rusty nails. It was a good hunt. I was really excited, and the MX7 did really well. I can't wait to take it out to the beach. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, my friends. Traffic ain't no joke.